great flavor for great health.
You and me, we're not gonna give up tonight.
You didn't give up on sex.
Oh, no.
Power 106, a power workout. Power 106.
Open it. Travel in. Moving 107.
Power 106, a power workout. Power 106, a power workout.
Work that ass, baby.
Power 106, the
This thing also has a auxiliary out and an auxiliary in. So earlier you probably heard some other speakers, and these are my little computer speakers. Excuse the dust, I just pulled it out of the garage. Auxiliary out. As you can see, they were powering. I got some advents. They're kind of blown. And you see right here the foam is separated. Let me disconnect this right here so you guys can see. I actually had my car speakers on them earlier, and they actually sound pretty good with these on. They sound better with these. I imagine with some 101s or 201 Bose, it'll probably sound really, really good. This is just with the auxiliary out of my Dell computer. Let's check it out.
Power 106.
Fast forward. Oh, and by the way, this thing, you could put it on the wall. I'll demonstrate here how this thing could play vertical.
Power 1.
Pretty cool. Got the stands right there, or should I say the metal bracket. Thank you very much. Just wanted to say this is a pretty cool little stereo. I was thinking maybe I should put it in the toolbox, one of those little rolling toolboxes. I think it'll probably be pretty unique. The biggest thing I would advise here is probably you need to get a decent antenna for the FM if you want to listen to the FM. If not, get some kind of a FM adapter or something. Without that FM antenna, you're not going to hear practically anything. Maybe one or two stations with just a regular piece of wire in there. So, lucky I got one of those little piece of crap FM antennas. I advise a little bit better one if you're planning to use this as a primary system. From what I've been researching, it says it's about 18 watts per channel, so it's pretty decent for what it is. I would suggest trying to get a remote for it. I don't have the remote, but you can play it as it is, but I would recommend the remote because it has some other settings like alarm clock and clock and some other things. So you know, that's why I'm not asking too much for it. Like I said, the speakers are going to be included, are going to be these Creative Labs. They're just basically little computer speakers, and these two wires and the little receiver itself. Everything else is from my personal collection, so it's not for sale. So good luck, and I hope this informed you of the Yamaha CD receiver CRX-TS20. Thank you very much.